Hello and welcome, vitepos lover. In today's video, we'll dive into the sound settings feature in restaurant mode and show how it activates with different actions. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thanks for being with us. First, navigate to the POS panel and open the WooCommerce module. At the top right corner, you'll notice a sound icon. By default, it's disabled. Click to enable it. Now, let's place an order to see the sound feature in action. With every action, you'll hear a sound alert. Next, go to the kitchen module and start preparing the items. Once preparation is complete, click on the preparing submodule and mark it as ready to serve. Return to the WooCommerce module. Here, you'll see the ready to serve item with its table number. Click on it, and all the ordered items will be displayed. Now, click the Serve Item button and serve it. Finally, go to the Cashier module to proceed with the checkout. Complete the process, and the invoice will be displayed. Notice that every action triggers a sound. This sound alert feature is now available in vitepos restaurant mode. And that's it for this tutorial on the new vitepos sound feature. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.